What are we doing?
We're about to ride Splash Mountain.
Hey guys, we're about to ride Splash Mountain for the second time today. It's our favorite, so here we go. That's gonna be us. Okay, this is slip and falls.
Slip and falls. We're about to slip and we're gonna fall. And here we go. We're in the back seat this time, so we don't get as wet. Oh no! Oh no!
Going up.
I don't know that there's any other way to get out of this. But now,
It's the briar patch.
we gotta go to the briar patch.
Please don't throw me in the briar patch.
That's where we're gonna go to the briar patch.
Not the briar patch.
We made it! We made it!
Not as wet. Not as wet this time.
Back seat, not as wet.
It's rain. Scott's gonna get wet.
Every time, the waterfall, I forget.
Oh, and we're stopped too at the waterfall.
And last time I tried to push away from the wall, and I got called out, and she yelled at me for it. She came on the intercom and yelled at me.
Yeah, you'll get in trouble for that. You can't touch the wall. Don't touch the Disney wall.
Don't touch the wall.
No, never.